picture yourself at a crucial point in that time, where belief and discovery intersect. March 31, 1521 has arrived, and it is Easter Sunday. On a tiny island, a significant event occurs: the inaugural Christian Mass in the Philippines, which would influence the country's beliefs and sense of self. But the ongoing debate is, where exactly did it take place? Did it take place on Limasawa Island in southern Leyte, recognized for its peaceful beauty? What is perhaps in Butuan, Mindanao, a thriving commercial hub during that time? This goes beyond just being a question of location. It is about revealing the truth beyond a significant moment in art, culture, and spirituality. Today, let's explore the evidence that this agreement and why this moment remaining significant. This is the first Christian Mass in the Philippines, and where it is was held Limasawa or Butuan. What is the first Catholic Mass in the Philippines? The first Catholic Mass, or also known as the first Christian Mass in the Philippines, was celebrated on March 31, 1521, Easter Sunday, by Father Pedro de Valderrama of Ferdinand Magellan expedition, marking the introduction of Christianity to the archipelago. The Mass was attended by local leaders Raha Colombo and Raha Sowaye, along with other islanders, significant the beginning of Christian influence in the region. Why it is relevant? The relevance of this Mass lies in its role as the foundation of Roman Catholicism in the Philippines, which has since become a central aspect of Filipino culture and identity. It also paved the way for Spanish colonization, leading to profound changes in the country's social, culture, and political.
So first and foremost, according to Dr. Antonio Sanchez de Mora, 2021, in the UP Department of History Lecture Series, the first Easter Sunday Mass in the Philippines is tied to Ferdinand Magellan's expedition, a landmark voyage in the age of exploration. In March 1521, Magellan's fleet reached the Philippine archipelago as part of their mission to find a westward route to the Spice Island, modern-day Maluku Island in Indonesia. The crew, after enduring a long and treacherous journey, arrived in a region that would later become pivotal in the spread of Christianity in Southeast Asia. On March 31, 1521, Easter Sunday, a Catholic Mass was celebrated by the expedition's chaplain, Father Pedro de Valderrama. This religious event marked the formal introduction of Christianity to the Philippines. The celebration of the Mass was significant not only as a religious ceremony but also as a moment of cultural and spiritual exchange between the Spanish explorer and the local inhabitants. This event set the stage for the eventual colonization of the Philippines by the Spain and the establishment of Christianity as a dominant religion in the country. Antonio Pigafetta, the chronicler of expedition, documented the event in detail, providing modern historians with valuable insights into this historic moment. Next up, according to the Batangas Eastern College's readings, the initial Easter Mass in the Philippines took place on the island of Mazawa, currently called Limasawa Island, Leyte. Dr. Antonio Sanchez de Mora, a specialist in Spanish medieval history, determined that the misunderstanding of the Butuan tradition originated from misinterpreting chronicles, and the Jesuits pushed for the conversion of Mindanao natives. Mora also concluded that the misunderstanding of the Butuan tradition stemmed from misinterpreting historical records, and the missionaries pushed to convert Mindanao's indigenous people. The recommendation of the National Historical Commission of the Philippines panel was supported as they all agreed that the evidence and arguments presented by the pre-Butuan advocates were not enough to justify overturning the National Historical Institute's decision. In 1998, the panel and the NHI confirmed that Limasawa was where the first mass was held in 1521, marking the location of the first Catholic celebration in that country.
However, despite the claims, there are some people who believe that the first Christian Mass was held at Butuan. Here's why. According to Dr. Potencio R. Malbars, conduct research in Spain and Portugal. He claimed that the first Christian Mass in the Philippines was held in Butuan, rather than in Limasawa. Through extensive research, Dr. Malbar argues that historical accounts, particularly those of Antonio Pigapete, point to Nassau in Butuan as an actual site of the event. In his book, Beyond the Pale, Limasawa Hoax, a Tragedy in the Philippine History, Dr. Malbar provides evidence and analysis to support this assertion. His advocacy has even led to legal dispute, including the filing of a criminal complaint against two Moharas panel, a government-appointed group that conclude Limasawa as the site of the first mass. Dr. Malbar accused the panel of libelous claims and falsification in their findings. But despite his efforts, the National Historical Commission of the Philippines, or NHCP, has consistently upheld Limasawa Islands in southern Leyte as the site of the first Christian Mass. This conclusion is based on scholar consensus supported by historical evidence and studies aligned with Pigapete's accounts and other contemporaneous sources, while Dr. Marbar and some Butuan advocates continues to argue for their claim. The prevailing historical consensus are affirmed by the NHCP recognized Limasawa as the site of the significant historical event.
Here's what we can conclude in our study about Limasawa versus Butuan. Based on what we researched, Limasawa clearly has an advantage over Butuan as the acknowledged location of the first Christian Mass in the Philippines because it is more closely supported by historical evidence and academic agreement. Antonio Pigapeta's throughout descriptions, primary sources from Ferdinand Magellan's journey, mention the place as Mazawa, which corresponds to Limasawa in terms of both geography and context. Research on maps from the 16th century as well as Pigapeta's coordinates provide additional evidence supporting the location of Limasawa along the documented route of the expedition. On the other hand, Butuan's assertion, backed by Dr. Potenciano R. Malvar, is based on re-evaluations of historical documents that contradict established proof. The NHCP and other experts have continuously supported Limasawa as the location, backed by a wider range of evidence such as contemporaneous sources and archaeological discoveries. The solid historical foundation of Limasawa gives it a clear edge over Butuan, therefore establishing it as the officially recognized and widely acknowledged location where the first Christian Mass in the Philippines history took place.